Hello, this is Lewis at Classic Cars of Palm Beach in Jupiter, Florida. This is going to be a quick walk around video of our 2020 Tesla Model X. We make these videos for all our out-of-state customers that are buying online. Just to give you a little snapshot here, 2020 Tesla Model X, long range, all-wheel drive, 36,000 miles on it. We'll do a quick walk around showing the condition of the car. I'll also be pointing out any flaws on the exterior and interior of the vehicle. That way when you do receive the car, there's no surprises on either end. So let's go ahead and get started here. This is the passenger side headlight. Passenger headlight looks nice and clear. There's no cracks, there's no moisture in there. Looking at the bottom lights here, fog lights / turn signals look great. Some let's see here, what is that? Is that dirt? No, that little speck right there is coming off with my nail, so it doesn't look like it's damaged or anything like that. I do see some scratches here, right here, and I also see some here. Very light scratches there on the hood. Well, like I said, I'd like to point everything out. I'm just looking at a whole vehicle here, nice and slowly. Some scratches here. Driver's side headlight looks nice and clear. No damage, no moisture in there. This one looks good as well. No cracking, no moisture. Tires look phenomenal. They look very good. Lights of life left on them. The rim looks good. No curb rash on this side. And of course, we do not sell any vehicles with chips in the windshield. No cracks in the windshield. The body looks nice and straight. Nothing's really yelling at me, like a door ding or anything like that so far. Just moving very slowly. And I do see one right there. You get the right lighting. Very tiny one there. Rim right here, no curb rash, no scratches. Again, these are very nice tires. They're like new. Very nice. Lots of life left. Tail lights look nice. No moisture, no cracks. Looks very good. Bumper looks good. No scratches there. It is the dual motor. Passenger side tail light looks very nice as well. Very nice condition vehicle. Love this wing on the back with the third brake light. Let's keep going. This rim right here, also no damage. Looks very good. Again, the tires on it like new. Let's go ahead and move across here, see if I can see anything. But so far, this is a very, very nice, clean Model X. Passenger side rim. I do see a scratch on the rim right there. Tire looks very good. Overall vehicle, very nice. Let's go ahead and show you inside the car now to show you the leather condition, door panels, dash, steering wheel. We'll go ahead and start here. This is the driver's side door panel. Have the wood, nice leather here. The car smells good too. Smells like leather. It does not smell like a smoker's car, and absolutely does not smell like any foul odors. Dash looks amazing. Nice leather wrapped dash, not peeling up, not warping. Huge screen, of course. what most Tesla owners love. Steering wheel's in very good condition as well. There's no damage. Very nice. Show you passenger side. Looks very nice as well. No wear here where your elbow would go. That looks good. Go ahead and go to the back of this car. Love how these doors open in the back. Very nice. Seats, very good condition on the seats. I don't see any stains, cracks, or rips. Very nice. Dual USB there. Air vents. No third row on this one. We do have a lot of storage. Headliner looks amazing. Alcantara. Alright. Go ahead and close this up here. We'll open the rear. Go ahead and open this rear part. Lots of storage back here. Very nice view. But yeah, that basically concludes our walk around video. 2020 Tesla Model X classic cars of Palm Beach in Jupiter, Florida. Have a great day. Feel free to call us. Phone number here is 561-529-31